what's going to happen when the government does get really lean and mean with AI and they lay off? I mean, it's the largest employer in the country. You're going to have, I mean, if they do go through with the mass layoffs, I haven't seen those yet, but like what are conservatives, right-wing people going to say when the private sector decides that AI can make their business more efficient? You're already seeing it. Amazon, I think just today announced mass layoffs coming because they're going to be replaced by AI. And every AI expert agrees that the job losses are coming. They are going to be huge, possibly bigger than we think. Low-end estimates are, in the 30 to 40% of white-collar jobs, within 5 years or so. That's an enormous, I mean, we're talking millions, if not tens of millions of people who, if they don't learn how to adapt, and it's, you can't, some people aren't going to learn how to adapt quickly enough. There are going to be significant job losses. And when, how are conservatives going to, I mean, they're going to say, wait, so it's good enough for the government, but not for the private sector. I mean, companies are good, they have to answer to shareholders. Shareholders are going to say, and board members are going to say, why wouldn't we adopt AI if it can save us a good chunk of money? Why wouldn't we lay off a sizable chunk of our workforce if AI can replace them? And so, mass layoffs, AI is going to become a socialism machine if we continue like this with mass layoffs, because what happens when you don't have a job? I mean, we saw it during COVID. You want to check, that the people are already demanding universal basic income checks. Sam Altman of OpenAI, ChatGPT, is funding the largest studies into universal basic income. And Senator Adam Schiff from California is already introducing legislation to do studies into universal basic income, basically welfare for all. And you can understand, I mean, people who hate welfare, if they can't get a job, they'll do anything. And so in order to get these UBI checks, I mean, Sam Altman has already said this of OpenAI, you're going to need a digital ID. So it's going to, AI is going to lead to, if they don't have digital ID sooner, you're going to need a digital ID, probably biometrically linked, and then ditto for central bank digital currencies. BlackRock, they say that central bank digital currencies are crucial, not just for getting migrants money to the, Larry Fink actually said that we really need a CBDC because it will help get the immigrants money faster, and then it will make the remittances flow out of our country faster. Staggering quote. But they're going to need a central bank digital currency linked to your digital ID to get you your UBI checks. At least that's going to be the pitch. That's how they would get it done, is people who didn't want a shot, they got a shot to keep their job. And if you are relying on a check, if they tell you it's got to be CBDC and digital ID, people are going to take that. So we're kind of hurtling full speed ahead. I understand that it's an arms race with China. We can't let China win. I'm just not sure what the finish line looks like in this AI arms race, and it seems a little dystopian.